When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades can transform a space as effectively as new windows. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, or reduce noise, professional window installation in Palmetto Bay can offer significant advantages. Below are the top 5 benefits of choosing experienced professionals for your window installation project. Expertise and experience. One of the most significant benefits of hiring a professional window installation service in Palmetto Bay is the expertise and experience they bring to the table. Window installation is more than just a simple task of placing a window in a frame. Professionals have the knowledge of the best materials, the latest window technologies, and the proper techniques to ensure that your windows are installed correctly. With years of training and hands-on experience, professional installers can quickly identify any potential issues and provide solutions before they become bigger problems. They are also skilled at handling various types of windows, including double-hung, casement, and sliding windows. This level of proficiency ensures that your installation will be smooth, precise, and hassle-free. Increased energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is a major consideration for homeowners in Palmetto Bay, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year. A professional window installation can dramatically improve the energy efficiency of your home by ensuring that windows are properly sealed and insulated. Windows that are poorly installed can cause drafts, leading to higher energy bills and reduced comfort in your home. By hiring an expert to install your windows, you can rest assured that they will be sealed tightly, preventing air leaks and reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. This results in lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Additionally, professional installers often recommend energy-efficient window options, such as low-E glass or argon gas-filled windows, which can further improve your home's insulation. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. First impressions matter, and windows play a crucial role in the overall appearance of your home. Whether you're installing windows to sell your house or simply want to enhance its aesthetic, professional installation can make a significant difference. A professional installation will ensure that your windows align perfectly with your home's style and architecture. Additionally, experts can help you choose the right type of windows that will complement the rest of your home's design. Whether you want sleek modern windows or traditional wooden frames, professional installers have access to high-quality products and materials to elevate the look of your home. Upgrading your windows can also increase your property's value, which is particularly important in Palmetto Bay's competitive real estate market. Potential buyers will be impressed by well-installed, energy-efficient windows that add beauty and functionality to your home. Improved safety and security. Windows are an integral part of your home's safety and security. A faulty or improperly installed window can be a potential entry point for intruders or an unsafe area in case of an emergency. Professional window installers are well versed in securing windows to ensure they function properly, which is crucial for both your peace of mind and the safety of your family. Additionally, Many professional installers offer windows equipped with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems or impact-resistant glass. In areas like Palmetto Bay, where storms and hurricanes are a concern, professional window installation ensures that your windows can withstand severe weather conditions and protect your home from potential damage. Long-term savings and warranty protection. While DIY window installation may seem like a cost-effective option at first, it can lead to long-term expenses if done improperly. Poor installation can cause costly issues down the line, such as water leaks, drafts, and even window malfunctions. On the other hand, professional window installation typically comes with a warranty that covers the labor and materials used. If any issues arise after installation, you can rely on the installer to address them promptly and efficiently. This warranty protection provides peace of mind and ensures that your investment in new windows is well protected. Over time, the benefits of a professional installation, such as increased energy efficiency and reduced repair costs, can far outweigh the initial investment. Conclusion: professional window installation in Palmetto Bay offers numerous advantages that can enhance the comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal of your home. By choosing experienced installers, you can enjoy benefits such as improved energy efficiency, increased home value, and greater peace of mind knowing your windows are installed correctly. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic reasons or to improve your home's performance, professional installation ensures that you'll get the most out of your investment. So, when it's time to upgrade your windows, trust the professionals for a job well done.